Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're comparing Superhuman and Textio. We want to see which AI email tool wins. Are you struggling with emails? Superhuman and Textio are two AI powered tools that promise to revolutionize your inbox. But which one is right for you? Let's break it down. Let's compare. When it comes to what they're best for, Superhuman is a speed demon, that is fast email triage, while Textio is for HR and recruiters, and it is also for bias-free writing. When it comes to AI magic, Superhuman has keyboard shortcuts and AI suggested replies, while Textio has AI-powered inclusive language suggestions. When it comes to key features, Superhuman has lightning-fast email workflow, while Textio optimizes job post emails for better responses. And when it comes to price, Superhuman costs about $30 a month, while Textio has custom pricing for teams. And lastly, their cool factor. Let's look at their cool factor. Superhuman has Command K for instant actions, Command K, while Textio has tune and inclusivity scores. So you can see that Superhuman is like a Ferrari for your inbox. It is perfect for executives drowning in emails, while Textio is for AI writing coaches, ensuring every message lands perfectly. That is, what I mean by that is Textio is like your AI writing coach that ensures every message lands perfectly. So, which tool would you try? Comment below. Hit like if this helped you and subscribe for more AI showdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.